Hi guys, for today's video, we are going to review the dodgiest launch I ever attempted with my Hobie Outback. This footage was taken last year when I decided to brave paddling through the surf to reach the beautiful fishing ground down here in the southwest. If you're new to this channel, consider subscribing as you might enjoy watching my recent fishing adventures that I have uploaded. And as you can see in this footage where I needed to paddle across, the condition of the beach is quite sketchy, with big swells breaking on the sandbar. Let's take a look at the GoPro footage of the launch, as there might be something that we can learn from it. Hey! At this point, I want you to notice the setup, folks. Aside from the kayak being really filthy, I kept everything simple. No gear is sticking out of the kayak. I brought only what I need and everything is tucked in inside the hull. The Mirage drive is leashed to the front of the kayak. And lastly, I am using a one-piece wing paddle, perfect for this kind of condition, which gives me the confidence to paddle hard if needed. And here I am, carefully assessing the size and power of the shore brakes, waiting for the perfect timing to mount. Oh sh**. Oh my god! Woo! And the strategy here, folks, is to keep the kayak's nose facing towards the waves. As you observe, I swiftly adjust the kayak each time the whitewash hits me, ensuring the nose stays pointing towards the waves. In this situation here, folks, patience and precise timing are crucial, as one wrong move can lead to disaster. Now is the time. If you notice, folks, when I reach the impact zone, I wait for the waves to break before punching through. In certain instances, you must punch in before the wave goes vertical. The wait may sometimes be longer, as you might have to wait for more sets to pass. This time, I made it through. Was it due to proper technique or just luck? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and if you want to see how it all unfolds, check the video in the description. And I'll see you guys on the next fishing adventure.